Stick around guys, because we're going to be making whipped butter for extreme hair growth. We're going to be growing super long, thick, healthy and strong hair. So grab your snacks, your drinks, sit back, relax and keep on watching. Welcome to all my subscribers, and if you're new here, you're absolutely welcome too. Do consider subscribing if you like this type of content, because here we are all about DIY skincare and hair care recipes. For this recipe, we will need Moringa powder. This powder here is a powerhouse of so many nourishing vitamins, antioxidants, amino acids, folates, calcium, and so many other good stuff. Regular use of Moringa helps to strengthen the hair, it promotes healthy hair growth, and what's great about this powder is that you can take it orally as a supplement, and you can also apply it directly to your hair or your scalp in the form of oils, butters, masks, conditioners, and so on. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of Moringa powder into this mixing bowl. The next ingredient we're going to be using is Amla powder. Amla powder has so many benefits that comes with regularly using this. It helps to condition the scalp, it increases hair shine, it increases the volume of the hair, it strengthens the hair roots, it prevents hair breakage, it also helps to reduce dandruff. So guys, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of Amla powder to my mixing bowl. Next up is aloe vera powder. It is highly moisturizing for hair and skin. It helps to retain moisture in the hair and also helps to promote hair growth. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of this. Next up is rice bran oil. This oil is highly nourishing. It helps to prevent premature graying of hair. It fights dandruff. It thickens the hair. It prevents damage to the hair strands. And it also prevents hypersensitivity as well. So I'm going to be adding 1.5 quarter cup of rice bran oil to my mixing bowl. I'm also going to be adding some coconut oil, which is great for hair growth as well, and I'll be using 1 tablespoon of this oil. Then I'll go ahead and mix everything together. So basically what we're trying to do here is infuse all of the nutrients in the powders into the oil. And so in order to do that, I'll be placing the mixing bowl into a separate bowl that is containing hot boiling water. And I'll just stir the mixture a little bit and then let the mixture sit in the hot water for about 1 hour. So this is going to help to slowly infuse the nutrients into the oil. After about 1 hour, the coconut oil was completely melted and everything looks good. So I'll just go ahead and sieve the mixture.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push.
I'll be adding about 1 tablespoon of cocoa butter to the sieved oil blend. I'll also be using about 1.5 quarter cup of shea butter. You guys already know the benefits of cocoa butter and shea butter on the hair. These are extremely nourishing and moisturizing butters for hair growth. Then I'll go ahead and repeat the same process again of placing the mixing bowl into another bowl containing hot boiling water, and then let that sit till all the butters are completely melted. You can keep going back from time to time to stir the mixture to facilitate the melting process. If you feel like the hot water is getting cold and the butters aren't fully melted, then you can get rid of the water and pour in fresh hot boiling water. Finally, our butters are melted, so I'll place a cling film on the bowl and place the bowl in the fridge to allow the mixture to cool down. I usually place mine in the freezer actually because it's faster to do it that way, and I keep going back to check every 5 minutes because you don't want your mixture to get frozen, but you want it to be cold enough to start to set. So when my butters look like this, I take it out and I use a spoon or a spatula to scrape out the sides of the bowl, scrape out everything, and make sure everything is away from the sides of the bowl. Then you start to whip the butter. You keep whipping till the butter doubles in size and looks fluffy and has stiff peaks. At this point, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin, a few drops of vitamin E oil, a little bit less than half a teaspoon of preservative. The reason I'm adding this is because I added the organic powders to this formula, and maybe in the course of using it I might start to place wet hands into the product. So this is just a precautionary measure to prevent bacterial growth in the butter. And finally, I'll be adding eucalyptus essential oil to the butter.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I'm...
Guys, don't forget your storage container. I'll be transferring the butter into the container with the aid of a piping bag. You guys can use a food storage bag or a Ziploc bag, but I find that using a piping bag is the easiest way for me to transfer the butter into any type of container that I want. There you go, guys. Your whipped hair butter enriched with moringa, amla, aloe vera, coconut oil, rice bran oil, and all of that good stuff. I apply this to my wet hair usually after shampooing and conditioning my hair. I apply this all through the length of my hair strands, and even if I am not ready to wash my hair, I just spray my hair with water and apply this butter to my hair strands and style as normal. I also apply this directly to my scalp while massaging my scalp. So I use this at least twice a week, but try to aim for once a week because I understand that not everyone has got the time to do this so often, but this butter right here is absolutely amazing for the hair. So guys, this is the end of this video. Make sure to like, share this video, leave comments in the comment section, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and please turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. I love you guys. Bye.